Medicaid long-term care. What is this program? And it's super confusing once you start getting into the fact that there's a program that almost sounds exactly the same. It's called Medicare, but they're completely opposite. They're very different programs, even though they kind of share the same name. So here's some things I want you to consider. First off, in Texas, Medicaid, I just made the mistake. Medicaid long-term care is run by a program called Texas Health and Human Services Commission. And their job is to make sure that Medicaid long-term care and other programs are run efficiently in the state of Texas. Now, let's go through Medicare is an insurance program that you pay into whenever you pay your payroll taxes. So when you're paying your payroll taxes, which is 15.3% of your income, it's going to pay part of it, not all of it. No, a small sliver of this is going to pay for Medicare, so it can take care of you when you're older. We're hoping it's going to be there, but at the current pace, it probably is not going to be a program that can be run very long unless Congress figures out what they're going to do. Medicaid long-term care. Medicaid is a program, it's a welfare program, meaning you don't pay into it. This is out of the generosity of your fellow citizens. They want to help you if you end up in a situation where you are elderly and you can no longer pay for your care. Now, Medicaid also has programs for people who are not elderly. Those are different programs that we're not going to talk about today because this is Medicare long-term care. So this is for people usually over the age of 65. While I will mention certain programs that are available for people under 65, generally what I'm focusing on is those who are elderly that need to get into a nursing home, or if they want to stay home, want to get into some kind of waiver program. Some programs that I want you to be familiar with are Medicaid waiver programs. Basically what that's saying is those are the ones waiving the requirement to be in a nursing home. Medicare savings programs, we're going to talk a little bit later on about how you can be in a qualified savings program for Medicaid. Personal home care programs, community care programs. All these programs that are out there are there to assist you in certain situations. And a lot of times my clients get so overwhelmed by how many programs there are. You don't really need to worry about this. Medicaid will assist you through a lot of this process and helping you go through everything. But there are some important things you need to understand before you ever apply for Medicaid that you should learn through this series.